Welcome to the Airbus A350 assembly line. Let me show you how this incredible aircraft is built.
This is one of the most advanced wide-body aircraft in the world. Every part is built with precision.
Each component you see here goes through strict quality checks to ensure world-class performance.
These wings are designed for efficiency and long-distance flight, and let's explore how they're assembled. The Airbus A350 production line uses next-generation technology to make every step accurate and safe.
Now I'll take you inside each production stage of the Airbus A350. Stay with me, it's going to be fascinating.
Check the alignment on seam 42.
Looks perfectly within tolerance. The calibration worked. Approved.
The readings look stable on section 4.
Confirmed. All tolerances are well within limits. We are good to proceed.
Check the alignment on sector 4.
Looks good. The tolerances are holding steady. Easy now. Hold it right there. A little to the left. Perfect. Get those clamps on.
Surface temperature is exactly 40 degrees Celsius.
Okay, the bonding looks secure according to the specs. How are the uniformity graphs looking on your end?
All green. The automated sealing is holding steady. Hold it right there.
We're lined up. Go for the lock.
Secure on this side. Thumbs up.
Pressure check on window 12, reading stable.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Verify alignment on connector J7.
It's aligned and secure. Witness marks match.
Confirmed. Make a note on the checklist.
Station 4, fuselage moving past waypoint 3. Clear on the left side.
Roger that. Clear on the right. Speed holding steady.
Check the torque readings on section 7.
Looks nominal. The alignment is perfect. Settled on the rails. Initiate the locking sequence.
Clamps engaged. I'm starting the pneumatic tool now.
The fiber direction looks good against the schematic.
Bonding quality is also within tolerance. I'll sign off on the tablet.
Torque check sequence initiated on panel 4.
Confirmed. All green.
The laser alignment shows a deviation of 0.02 degrees here. Confirmed. The structural integrity is within tolerance.
Check the angle on sector 7. Reading 28.5, spot on.
Confirmed. Clear for sealing.
Check the alignment on the spoiler, reading good. Confirmed. All green on the diagnostic.
The pressure differential looks nominal here.
Yes, all parameters are well within tolerance according to the AMM.
Alignment looks good on my side. Confirming position.
Solid Roger, proceeding with automated sequence.
Look at the shift in the color gradient right here. That indicates a subsurface anomaly.
Yes, the C-scan confirms the localized porosity we saw earlier.
The thermal scan looks good, consistent readings across the spar.
Agreed. The gradient is stable. We are clear for the next phase. Sensor reading is stable. Confirmed.
Data matches. Let's move to the next section.
Readout is stable at 0.002.
Okay, that aligns with the specifications. Proceed with the next sequence. Right there, 0.03. Can you verify the smoothness?
Yes, it's within the acceptable range according to the specs.
Check the extension at 40 degrees.
Looks good from here, smooth operation.
Calibration sequence complete.
Pressure holding steady at 5,000.
Confirmed. Recording the readings now. Check the leading edge right there. Feel smooth to you?
Yeah, that's within tolerance. Good to go.
Okay, sensor array C is secure. Check the telemetry readout.
Readout is nominal. Moving to the next section now.
We are approaching the maximum load. Monitor the trailing edge sensors closely, and we have a spike in the red zone.
Looks good right there. Hold steady. Copy that. Moving to the lower mounts. Setting torque now.
Check the clearance on that bundle. It looks tight.
Adjusting now. How is that?
Perfect. We are green for the next sequence.
The flow rate on meter 3 is stabilizing.
Yes, temperatures are nominal across the board. We are good to proceed.
Pressure at maximum tolerance now. Check the indicators at junction 4.
Looks stable. No deviation detected. Logging the pass.
Torque set at 50. Confirmed.
Laser alignment looks good on sector 3.
Reading confirmed on the tablet. We are within tolerance.
Check the resonance peak at 40 Hertz.
Noted. Increasing the frequency now.
Check the torque settings on mount point 7.
Reading confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance. We are good to sign off.
Reading steady at 28 volts.
Confirmed. Logging the results now.
The uniformity looks consistent here at the joint.
Agreed. The thermal signature is stable.
Sorry.
Check the readout on sensor 4. The friction levels are fluctuating slightly above the baseline.
I see it. It's within a...
Calibration complete. Check the readout.
Confirmed. Moving to the next one.
Test complete. All parameters in the green.
Acknowledged. Logging the results now. The alignment is locked in. We have confirmation.
Excellent. All parameters are green. Torque wrench set to specification.
Confirmed. Seal looks good.
Looks good. Full coverage confirmed on section 4.
Roger that. Moving to section 5.
The simulation is holding stable at maximum thrust.
Data looks good, well within the safety margins.
We have a pass at 20.
Roger that. Logging the data now.
The thermals are spiking right here. See the red highlight?
Yeah, I see it. The probe confirms a hairline crack.
The noise reduction is significant at this frequency.
Yes, the panels are performing better than expected.
Torque on fastener group B is confirmed within spec. Looks good. No gap at the interface.
Final readiness documented. We are clear for the run-up.
Confirmed.
Approaching entry point 3. Slowing to a stop.
Confirmed stop. Brakes engaged. Secure the gear.
Readings stable across the board.
Confirmed. No abnormal harmonics detected at this power setting.
After full verification, the engine zone is cleared for final assembly.
Lower by 5 millimeters. Check the starboard laser alignment.
Reading green. Confirming position.
The bonding surface looks clean. No residue detected by the UV.
Confirmed. The robotic pass was successful. Follow the highlighted path around the hydraulics line.
Roger that. Securing the first section now.
Pixel response looks good on the center console.
Minimal latency detected during the sweep test. It's within tolerance. Finalizing the alignment sequence. Monitor the temperature sensors.
All parameters are nominal. We have a green light.
The responsiveness is excellent on this side. Very smooth. Agreed. The charts load instantly.
Aligning position 4. Confirmed. Torque sequence initiated.
Looks good. The diagnostic confirms a pass on that sequence.
All right, let's move on to the next set.
How did that look on the curve?
Sensitivity is stabilized now. Looks within tolerance.
All right, confirming settings.
Okay, pushing the left pedal.
Movement is synchronized. Range checks out.
All right, slowly advance to the firewall. Reading the sensors now. All green. Bring it back to idle.
FMS1 Alpha is locked in.
Starting the diagnostic upload. Looks good so far. Check the consistency of the bonding gel on the lower seam.
Looks solid. No voids visible under the UV light.
All right, logging the approval now.
How's the movement feel back there?
Smooth. The lock engaged correctly.
The tilt test passed. Now initiate height adjustment sequence.
Sequence initiated. Power draw is within tolerance.
Look at this junction point here. The resistance is slightly higher than expected.
I see that. Let's monitor it as the temperature increases.
Let's check the consistency now.
Looks good. The deviation is within tolerance. Log that in the system.
Synchronization sequence complete. All indicators show ready status.
Confirmed. Systems are go for launch.
Power stabilization complete.
Confirmed. Telemetry is green across the board.
Okay, the final assembly checks are complete. Signing off now.
Looks good. Glad to have this phase done.
Make sure the clip is flush against the frame before tightening.
Got it. The torque setting is correct.
That's within tolerance now. Lock it down.
Roger that. Documenting the torque valves now.
Okay, hold it steady right there. Got it.
Hinges secured. And the latch?
Solid. Ready for inspection.
How's the consistency on the red?
Looks good from here. Cycle to purple now.
Verify the coordinates for this section on the tablet.
Checking now. Looks good. Proceeding with the markings.
Meticulous work. Let's keep moving down the line.
Lock engaged.
Seal integrity is 100%. We are good to go.
Clear on the left. Bring it down another 2 inches. Copy that.
Coming down slowly.
All right, start connecting the water lines.
Alignment is within tolerance at station 42.
Confirmed. Data uploaded.
Okay, this row is showing complete.
Good, let's move to the next section.
We are getting consistent readings across all 3 points in this zone.
Confirmed. The variance is negligible.
The overhead sign is good here. Level 2 confirmed.
Noted. System reports full calibration success.
Tilted slightly left, right there.
Okay, checking the feed. Looks clear.
Perfect, you can lock it down.
Pressure stabilization at 8,000 feet. Check the delta P.
Adjusting now. The cycle looks nominal.
Confirming green status.
Pressure level on line 3 is stable at 3,000 psi.
Confirmed. The bypass valve is holding steady.
Swivel test complete. Moving to retraction.
Clear to retract. Monitor door sequence.
How are the energy readings looking on the main schematic?
Stable and within parameters. Activation complete.
Cross-reference section gamma with the tablet.
All parameters green. Surface integrity is optimal.
Activating sequence 3. Strobes initiated.
Readings are stable. All parameters nominal.
All systems green across the board. Cabin readiness certified.
Flow rate is steady at 2,000 liters per minute. Pressure holding nominal.
Acknowledged. We are within calibration limits.
Look at the synchronization on that spoiler.
Yes, the sequence is perfect. Logging the data now. We have a slight spike here on the vibration dampener at medium thrust.
Yes, but the TGT is stabilizing within the expected parameters now.
Data shows a perfect stabilization curve.
Confirmed. The throttle feedback is well within tolerance.
We have critical vibration spikes on sensor array 7, approaching redline.
Hold the sequence. Data stabilizing. Green across the board. Well done.
The inboard temperature is spiking past the limit.
I see it. Logging the data now. Check the outer wheel.
Keep it coming slow.
Clear on the left.
And hold applying brakes now.
Certificate signed. The A350 is officially ready.
Well done. Let's get her flying.